Hey everyone, long time no see. Well, as you guys can see, it's actually raining again. Once in a while, yeah. Once I say every night. You know what? I actually like the nice midnight rain, or when it rains at night. Yeah, you can get that nice, good smell, purified water. I think. Hey, ow, my eye, that hurt. And then you have that feeling that something might just drag you off in the dark rainforest. I can't know. This is my life out here. Living nothing but the water and nice good soil. I can't know which way I get soil. Oh, guys. Oh, damn. Sometimes I get chilly out here. I mean, I should have brought something good with me. But yeah, it's raining outside. Forgot when's the last time it rained out here. Just sprinkles, I remembered. But I don't remember raining this good. Heck, I just love that smell. Well, good night, everyone.